Students, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn the correct use of singular or plural verb. We will learn when to use the singular verb and when to use the plural verb. So before we start the video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. First example we have, no one has or have taken out the rubbish today. So what do you think? No one has or have? Listen, guys, any subject that start with one, thing, and body. For example, every, some, no, and any. Now, repeat with me. Everyone, everything, everybody. Someone, something, somebody. No one, nothing, nobody. Anyone, anything, anybody. These are all singular verb, and these are all will take singular subject. These are singular subject and will take singular verb. Now first we have no one. As we know, no one is a singular subject, so no one is a singular subject and will take singular verb. No one has taken out the rubbish today. Anything was a verb possible when Henry helped. Now what do you think? As we discussed it before, anything is also a singular subject and singular subject will take singular verb. Anything was possible when Henry helped. Everybody needs or need a dictionary. Well, again, everybody is a singular subject. Everyone needs. Everyone will takes need. Everybody needs a dictionary. Next, both includes or include misspelled word. Now, any subject that start with both, few, many, or several. These are all plural subject, and plural subject will take plural verb, right? So both will take plural verb. Both include misspelled words. Sally said that someone is or are poisoning the soup. As we know, Sally is a name of a person, and we know Sally is a singular subject. So singular subject will take singular verb. Sally said that someone is poisoning the soup. Next one. Nobody is or are to blame for that accident. As we know, nobody is a singular subject and singular subject take singular verb. Hope you guys learned something new. Thanks for watching.